Hey guys, it's TechView here. 2 months earlier, I bought this keyboard by Keychron, that is the K6. It's a 65% keyboard. I had this with the Gateron blue switches. It was really nice. I had been using this blue switches till now, but there was a problem that I faced was that when I was around other people, it was really irritating and it was not viable to use this keyboard because it was like really loud. So I had to buy another switch which was of the red switches by Gateron, and the Gateron red switches are like relatively really quieter than the blue switches. So in this video I'll be changing from this blue switches which is already on the keyboard to the red switches. So yeah, there were other Gateron switches that I could have gone for. For example, the white Gateron and the yellow Gateron. But the white Gateron was really light, and the yellow one was a bit louder than the red one. So I got the red because it was fit for me, and I got it within 2 to 3 days. And the packaging it was really nice. I unboxed it and here it is. So without wasting any due time, let's get onto this video and put the Gateron switches onto the keyboard. So we will be requiring two tools to properly remove the switches. First is this one, which we will be using to remove the keys, and the second one is this, which we will be using to take out the switches. So the process is now really simple. All you got to do is, of course, first you will need the keyboard. All you got to do is first take the first tool, grab the key and pull it. And with a small amount of pressure, it should come out. And continue doing it with the rest of the keys. Now we are done with the keys. It's time for us to use the second tool to pull out the switches in the keyboard. And pulling out the switches is a bit of cumbersome than pulling out the keys, because the switches were far more delicate than the keys, so I had to be careful on that. And it was my first time and I really didn't want it to ruin it. And we are done pulling out the switches and the keys. It was not hard, but it really took a lot of my patience. And the part that I'm really excited about is putting on the red switches on this keyboard. And let's get on with this. Now the red switches are on this keyboard and it's time to test how it sounds. But before that, let's hear how the blue switches were. And now let's hear what the red switches sound like. So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.